Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jito, your daily update. So welcome back to the daily update. I hope you're all having a great start of this week. Yeah, there's I think there's enough to talk about. I mean, right now the markets are pretty funky, right? Because yesterday morning it was very bearish. So what I said then, we made the video right here. What I said is that, all right, we'll test that level at 2.25 and 2.15. And from there, we'll see whether it's likely that we'll drop down even lower towards 1.75 or whether it's more likely that Jito will find support here and rally from here. And what you saw is that overnight, or at least in the evening, we actually did get some bullish momentum from Bitcoin and Solana, which Jito reacts to the most, and they both were bullish. So that meant bullish momentum from Jito from that support level we talked about yesterday. But now you can see it's just respecting the resistance so far. All right, so this was the red box, which we talked about yesterday as well. This is the main resistance. So that's between 2.5 and, well, ultimately there's basically resistance all the way from 2.8 down to 2.5. But the earliest and the strongest resistance was this level between 2.5 and 2.65. And what you see right now is that Jito unfortunately seems to be respecting that, which is actually quite bearish. All right. So if you look at Jito specifically and you look at some other numbers, which you should always do, of course, what you'll see, that's now not how you'll find it. It's GTO. What you'll see is that the open interest actually in the last week and in the last day has gone up quite a bit, but it's still, compared to last week, it's still incredibly low. Which is not amazing, and this is not the last day, guys. Come on, let me just see the last day. So yeah, this is it over the last day. It has gone up quite a bit, but not enough. All right. So with Jito right now, and I've told you this time and time again, at this moment, the only time I will buy is if we get a major bullish breakout, because I still think that Bonk will rally at some point of time. But then one of the main questions is, and I'll probably name this video that, when will Bonk rally? Well, if we break out of this downtrend, all right? And this is the downtrend on the 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks even worse, right? So the main level is this level here at 2.8. Like I said, there's basically resistance all the way from 2.5 and 2.8. If we can break above 2.8, that's good, all right? That's a major bullish breakout, and then I will probably buy Jito. But until that point, we're technically we're bearish or we're consolidating. I don't care that much for my own trading sake. For this video, I will actually tell you that at this moment, I think we're still in this area right here, all right? Purely technically, we're still between 2.5 and 2. Well, let's say this level right here, and 2.62. All right, so what's going to happen next is depending on which one of those levels will break. If we break down below 2.5 again, we're just going to fall back down towards 2.25 and probably find support there again, because it seems to be a strong level. But if that support does not turn into a rally at some point of time, eventually, like longer term, will also drop down to 1.75. And if Jito drops or is able to break above 2.62 here, all right, then we'll move up to 2.8, and then there's a chance that we'll break above that and that I will buy and that will rally. All right, that's essentially what you need to know. Now, if I would have to give you my thoughts on what I think is most likely here, it's actually a bearish breakout, because it seems to me that Bitcoin is just at the top of a range here and that it will drop down, at least initially. And then after that initial drop, Jito will have had that bearish breakout and it will just drop down because it's significantly weaker than Bitcoin now. Those are my thoughts. Ultimately, like I said, I still think that Jito will rally at some point of time, but it will rally once 2.8, that's the most important level at this moment at least, has been broken. All right. And that's what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments, of course. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.